Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Game Time FX. Today I'm going to show you how to get a free $100 no deposit bonus with its terms and conditions of how to withdraw. And if you stick to the end of this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way of how to withdraw this profit easily without having to stress yourself. So please do well to give me a like and also to subscribe to my channel, and please do well to also share to your friends for those that are looking for more ways of making free money. Okay, so the company or the broker that offers this $100 no deposit bonus is IX Broker. So I'm going to show you the terms and conditions of how to withdraw this no deposit bonus. So the terms and conditions of how to withdraw this no deposit bonus, according to the information I've gathered so far, is each trader after claiming this bonus has 10 days maximum to make profits from this no deposit bonus, and the maximum amount you are allowed to withdraw is $50. $50 is the maximum amount you are allowed to withdraw, and you must be able to trade at least one lot size within those 10 days in order to be able to withdraw this $50 minimum maximum. But just in case if the user does not make up to one lot size but the account is profitable, you'll be gifted $10 as a gift. $10 will be gifted to you even if you do not reach the $50 within 10 days. So as you can see, the one lot size, the question I was asked was the one lot size, if to be given, and if the person is meant to be trading up to $300 for the one lot size. But the customer care said that yes, that's right, that the user is meant to trade a profit of $300 or one lot size, then the $50 will be given to the account. So now let me show you how you can be able to claim this no deposit bonus and how you can be able to withdraw it without you having to stress yourself. So stick with me to the end of this video. So after you have clicked on the description below, the description of this bonus below, you'll be taken to this page where you'll be asked to fill in your details. So I'm going to pause this video and fill in my details, then I'll show you guys the next step. So after that, I will be sent an email address. After I've finished filling in my details, I'll be told that I'll be sent an email address. So I'll have to go to my email and confirm that. So I'm going to pause this video, go to my email and confirm that, then I'll return to this page and continue. So now that I've confirmed the email address, I'll just click on go to dashboard. I'll click on the button go to dashboard. Then I will be taken to my dashboard. But don't worry, you don't have to make any deposits. We are just here to look for the no deposit bonus. So after that, I'm going to have to go to their social media handle, which is their Instagram social media handle, in order to be able to get this bonus. So the social media handle is xbroker. This post in particular is xbroker. I'm also going to leave a direct link to this post on the description of this video. So after I finish signing up, come back to this video, go back to the description and check for this post link. So after I've landed on this post, you're going to like this post, which I'm going to do. So I'm going to like it, and then I'm going to comment. I'm going to tag 2 people to this post. Who am I going to tag on this post? Let's see. Okay, I'm going to tag these 2 posts. So yeah, and then I'm going to just click done. Then after that, these guys are going to send a direct DM to my profile. I'm going to send a direct DM to my profile asking for my email address. So I'm going to send them the email address that I used in signing up for their broker. Then after that, I'll be giving the $100 no deposit bonus. This should happen within 24 hours, according to the information that I've gathered so far. This should happen within 24 hours. And as you can see, all the rules and regulations of the no deposit bonus is written here. So please, if you get any value from this video, do well to like and subscribe to my channel. And also, as well, I told you I'm going to give you a bonus. So just in case if you don't know how to trade forex, you can do well to subscribe to my Telegram channel, where I post signals almost all the time, and you can also copy my signals and be able to pass this challenge and withdraw the profits that you make from this challenge. As you can see, I do well to post signals every single time, so you can copy my trades and be able to pass this challenge. So if you gained any value from this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also share it to your friends. And that will be all for now. Peace. Also do well to comment for any part that you get confused or any question that you feel that you should ask. Okay, that'll be